Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS is James. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the solution that many times that our customer asking for, which actually is how to use the Apple CarPlay to the phone or Android Auto to the phone on the screen, and at the same time you still can access into the internet thing, or even better that in this case we are hotspotting the head unit, which actually has the SIM card insert, and we are using that internet from the hotspotting from that head unit into the laptop that we are using here on the bench for demonstration. So we can work on the internet with our laptop that actually taken the internet Wi-Fi from the head unit, okay, and that is independent from the head unit. Now I still can use the wireless Apple CarPlay at the same time on the head unit screen. So the head unit actually is simultaneously doing two things. One is wireless Apple CarPlay connect, and second is it sending the Wi-Fi signal via the hotspot to my laptop to work at the same time. So that is the case that if in case you want to have internet all time in your car, and you also want to run Apple CarPlay all time in your car, both of them together, then this is the solution. Okay, so you can use the Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, your phone on the screen on the head unit system, and at the same time you can use internet directly from your head unit, or you even can hotspot that head unit internet into other device in the car, and in this case it is our laptop on the bench. Okay, so we are doing it on our bench to demonstrate exactly what our system can do for your request. So hopefully this will be very helpful and enjoyed to watch. And if you have the demand like this, just simply give us a call and we will supply exactly this one for you, and ready to go. Smooth, fast, and very nice setup of the premium system.